that little thing just does all that damage. But that little thing is transported by one of these big missiles. Now this is Iran's nuclear missiles right here, and it's not too good for them to have one of them. Over here, we have a nuclear bomb. This isn't good either because this is just as devastating as the missile. Just has a different shape, different size, but it may be a little smaller, although the warhead inside of it could be bigger. So it could be just as more devastating and lethal than the missile itself. So now, Hiroshima. In World War II, in order to end it after the Japanese attacked us, we just dropped a bomb on them. An atomic bomb, which is closely similar to a nuclear bomb, but it does have its differences. This is just many miles away, a picture of the bomb dropping. That's a very big blast, and it had very devastating results. You may not be able to see it too well, but here's a before the bomb hit and after the bomb hit. Now this is just a small area, and just one picture. There's multiple pictures, but the bomb just wiped it out. Completely destroyed all of Hiroshima for a good chunk of miles. And it didn't just do that. That was just the initial blast, the blast wave. Then the thermal energy went the next 50 miles, and then radiation polluted about 75 miles. So for an approximate enemy, about from here in Washingtonville to New York City, if a bomb was dropped in New York City, a nuclear or atomic bomb in particular, it would reach us from there. We would be affected by radiation. So our water would be contaminated. We would not allow to be drinking any water from any river source within our area. Our food in the food stores, anything touching the air would be completely contaminated. Even our skin, our clothes, everything. So we would actually probably have to move. Now with a nuclear bomb, the factors just make it 10 times worse. Everything's bigger, more destructive, and everything. So this is why nuclear weapons need to be put to an end. And if not an end, they need to be slowed down in production. Although they may not have much publicity, and you may not hear about them much, that does not mean they're still in use and ready to be launched at any second of the time.